Another day here at the garage. So I've been cleaning the head that I ported and polished. I don't know if you're supposed to use purple power when you clean this, but I'm using it anyways. It still needs to get resurfaced. It still needs this, and it still needs that, and still needs... So everything's going to get changed pretty much on this head. But the head looks a lot cleaner. Dust off my screen because I can't see. Head looks a lot cleaner. Tried to clean up the exhaust ports, but... Look at that, mira. And it's finally clean all in here. I know I'm going to get bashed for it, but you know, personally, I don't give a fuck because I'm just trying to clean it because I'm tired of porting and polishing something that's covered in oil and metal shavings, so that's annoying. Also got a package here. For Alex. These are his toe end kits, or toe end links, toe kits. I don't know. The last one we had on the car were these PCI looking ones. These are the PCI spherical, and they didn't fit. They were too long, so these ones are adjustable. So I'm going to be putting these on today and getting the suspension finally dialed in, feeding the e-brake cable all the way back into the cabin of the car because I'm going to be under there, might as well, and just get everything, you know, situated. So that way the back end is finally done. And yeah, let's open this. Let's unbox it. Yes. Hey, it works. Bingo, got it. Alright. Got it all open because we want to keep the box just in case if he ever wants to return these or sell these. Hard race sticker. That's a, you know, given. One of them fell out. Comes with the those little warnings, labels, proper installation, yada yada yada. And here they are. The hard race adjustable toe kits. So you can put these on and adjust them accordingly, so to your standards, which is great. This locking nut goes back down and goes back to the body of the assembly, I guess you would say. So you get it to your right desire, and then you unlock the nut, and the nut goes all the way back down and locks in. So now you have an adjustable point. So these are going to hopefully solve our issue of it being too goddamn long. So let's put these back to the way they were. They're beautiful. Not my favorite color, but definitely Static's favorite color. They have a little blue flake in it, but these are nice. They're a lot better than the $100 and something ones I paid for at a local race shop out here. And they gave it to me, camber kits, or no, they were camber kits. Paid like $120 for them, and when I went to go undo the threads, all the threads were rusted, which means that they repainted it. It was used. They sold me a used part for $120. They said it was brand new. All right, car's in the air. Huh. I should get the compressor and blow all this out of the way. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Fits perfectly fine in there. Extendable. Now we got perfect leverage. I had to lower the 217s here in order for me to get that long ass 14 in there. I'm going to change out this bolt because this bolt doesn't have that many threads coming out on this side like it does right here. You see how this one has a lot more threads? Then I'm going to go under here and double check everything and mark it with a white marker like I did on these bolts right here to know that they are all secure, and then finalize everything under here, feed the wire back through the car, put the plate back on with the 310s, and then it's done with the rear end. Then we can move to the front end where I could put the front bolt back in for the LCA, jack it up maybe, and put the lower tie bar on in the front. Who knows? But yeah. Okay. Both toe kits are on. Putting the stripper on, removing the MPC hardware so I could put it on, and then over there I gotta put on that lower control arm that you see right there, because I was trying to put on the front strut bar, but the suspension was too heavy, so I pushed it all the way down. So, you know, you get what you get. Yeah. If you guys like your these MPC LCAs and the hardware, you guys can get them for 10% off by using my code Lazymangarage in their before checkout. And the best part about it is that you could use the code every time you order something. So yeah, dude, you can buy these, the drop forks, and there's stuff for RSX, DC, DA, EK, EG, EF, CRX. There's tons of stuff. Why haven't you bought any? I don't know. Their stuff is not expensive, and it's made here in America, and it's 100% stainless steel bolts with aluminum billet washers. Like, doesn't get any better than that. Made in-house, so you know it's made here, not like other companies. Jesus. Alright, so right now what we're doing is bleeding the brakes. Alex previously had COVID, so that's why we're wearing a mask. Yeah? So now we're bleeding the brakes. He did a bench bleed on the brake master cylinder. Go ahead. Right. How are we looking on fluid? Go ahead. That's Raphael. For the rears? Yeah, the rear he races for VTEC Club, as you can see. This is Jake. If you need any OEM Honda parts, his Instagram is right there. Make sure you guys follow him. Any Honda parts, he gets you the Honda parts on his discount, so you get it cheap. If you guys would like to buy yourself some brake lines from Finishing Lines, like Right Hand Drive Kev and my friend Alex here, use the link down below. Get yourself free shipping. Yep. Go ahead. We're usually letting each other know when it's time to break it loose. Yep. Yeah. Go ahead. Look who showed up from Arizona. All the way from Arizona. It's the man, the myth, the legend, Chris Sadowski himself.
You have a little camera now.
Yeah, I'm fancy now.
Oh my gosh.
How was the drive?
Very long, bouncy, windy, wet.
Did you guys run into the rain?
A lot of it.
Yeah, my girlfriend was driving and she was like, "Where did this rain come from? It wasn't raining back there." So he doesn't even know that you brought him the bar.
Oh, is it here?
Yeah, he doesn't even know. Alex, come here. On delay. Put a pep in your step.
No fucking way, dude. Bro, and I was gonna hit you up too. Like, bro, how much are these shits?
Yeah.
Sick, bro.
Chris might have to modify this top plate. I don't know if I tacked it in the right spot because that's the only part of the fixture I haven't made.
Alright.
But that's why it's just tacked on. It's fine and strong as it is. So if it's
yeah.
good where it is, it's good. But if not, just grab those
Yeah,
couple
that's
tacks
the
off and then just slide it out a little bit.
Okay.
It'll be fine. But most people aren't even using that top one.
If you guys need these front bumper bars,
Yeah.
Chris Sadowski, I'm gonna put his YouTube down in the description down below. Also, this is his Instagram. I'm gonna put it right on Chris. That's his Instagram. So if you guys want to give him a follow and subscribe to his channel and get yourself one of these for your DA,
Yeah. All the other ones.
now you know where to get it.
Just got 'em.
Oh, that shit died.
Thick boy battery. It's just a little camera.
I know. I have to charge it every time I use it.
Really?
I have to charge like a few hours ahead of time before I start filming. So I was like, oh, Chris is gonna be here in a while. I better start charging.
Here you go, Chris. One of your Chris's?
You're shaking. You're excited.
Yeah. No, I'm fucking losing my breath with this fucking man.
Sound like gunshots.
That fitment. Now you guys know where to get yourself a bar as he's balancing. He's a skater at heart. You guys know where to get yourself a Sadowski bar. What do you call them? SD bar, SD Fab bar.
Yeah, SD Fab.
SD San Diego bars. You can get you can get yourself one for $175.
A whale's vagina.
That's how much it costs, right?
Yeah,
$175
Plus shipping.
Plus shipping.
You think I'm gonna pay for free shipping? Hell no! People don't even buy my damn merch. $5 stickers, people be cringing. Like,
Oh yeah, I feel
yeah,
that.
no, fuck them.
If you guys want a sticker from Chris Sadowski, hit him up. $5 stickers. He also has T-shirts for sale. He also has these bars for sale for DA, only at the moment. Eventually, he's gonna do CRX and all that other jazz. Eventually.
I think I just stepped in fiberglass resin.
Yeah, probably.
Fancy. Ooh, there's a
All right, this is Paul's EK. This is the guy I'm doing the the fiberglass fenders for. They're obviously gonna go on this car. Buddy Club seat. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, mijo. Look at it. Look at it. Race car. Look at it. Race car. Okay. Okay. You see race car? Okay. Clear tail lights. Not trying to get his license plate in there. I already know I'm gonna get shit for it, but I mean, he doesn't do anything illegal anyways. He takes this to the track. Got the latches for the trunk. These just come up like this, like that, and then they go right back in. You got the fiberglass rear diffuser, CTR replica wings. This whole front end is going to be changed. He's not going to use this whole front end anymore. He's going to go back to the 97 or the 96 to 98 front end. This is a 2000 front end. You can tell by the fog lights how they're different. On the 96 to 98, there is no hole there. It's just all one solid piece for fog lights. Oh shit! And Alex is here. Now we could eat. There goes Alex right there. You want to park right there? Park right there. I'm getting a cramp. Oh.
Okay, my bad. I got myself something. I'm gonna give it a try again. I had to like drop everything, change the clutch, put everything back on. It was like.
yeah.
So what's your take on Baker's?
I'm indifferent. Like, I'm not impressed. It's good, but it's not like.
Oh,
It's not like In-N-Out.
I don't know.
The In-N-Out, it's worth the line wait.
It ain't as exciting as the Popeyes chicken sandwich was.
The Popeye's chicken sandwich. Yeah.
Yeah. The hot sauce
spicy
does
one.
smack though.
The hot sauce is good because it's not hot and it's just
No,
it's just flavorful.
Like sweet.
Yeah, and it's like really good.
Yeah.
They have the habanero.
From ketchup?
Yeah, pretty much.
Like they have like the habanero ketchup, right? The habanero ketchup, for some fucking reason, it's spicier than the actual hot sauce itself. Y'all, ooh, that has a kick to it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's flavorful. It's just not like, wow.
That's me. I'm wow Bakers. You guys are taking off?
Yeah.
Same. I'm taking off. I'm going home. I'm going home.
Long walk.
Yeah, it's a long drive. Might hit traffic on my way
When
home.
I call you and I be like, hey bro, are you home? Huh?
Yeah, he'd be doing that. You home?
Text the man, are you
No. No, I'm in Texas right now. Yes, I'm home. Like, what the
Where else would I be?
All right. Well, thank you for coming.
Yeah. Farewell.
I just turkeyed him. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, we'll have to plan something for your birthday.
Yeah, dude. I'm trying to get Dana to come down too,
Yeah, see if we can get
and
Christian.
maybe Christian too. Yeah. You got to convince Christian because is it still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Christian, if you would like to come down and actually hang out with me sometime, that'd be nice. Because you hate me. I already know he hates me. So Alex, what are you doing? Finalizing the rest of the car?
I went out there for a food. Yeah, I'm taking off these clips so I can have my headlights sit flush.
So you can get what?
So I can have my headlights sit flush.
Oh, okay. And you're putting on the bumper and everything?
Everything, yeah.
And the lights?
And the lights.
Hell yeah, because the front end's practically done. Practically done. You don't need anything else other than just paint on the bumper.
And like maybe a little touch up on the fenders.
It's all pretty with the little purple stuff on it.
It goes, it flows nice, right? The purple and the blue.
Yeah.
Just drop the headlight like that.
I gotta go eat, man. I got colossal shrimp. I gotta go.
All right, man.
Alright, man.
I gotta come let you know, man. I'm sorry, because you're gonna see it parked over there looking pretty in a minute. So I have to apologize.
I would like to see that.
Oh, you'll see it. That boat gonna be hard.
Look at that.
$3,000.
Look at that. Look at that. That fitment. That fitment. That fitment. Look at that. Fitment dough. As the kids say, that fitment dough. As Will says, that fitment dough. That fitment. Fitment right there. That fitment. Taking pictures of his car. That fitment.
Schmittman.
We had a good time hanging out with Chris. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Chris Fabs, Chris Sadowski, Chris YouTube. Remember, like and subscribe to his channel. Like and subscribe to my channel for more. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys would like anything from my sponsors, the links are down below. Also, I have something for you guys in the next video. I will be talking about, but it's only one-time deal code. So the first person who gets it gets 50% off. So write that shit down. Be the first to get it. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video. All my links are down below. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.